100% cotton. Imported. Washcloth for face and body. Ideal for bath time, washing up at sink, a cooling compress, and more. Includes 12 washcloths made of 100% cotton for softness, strength, and absorbency. Fade-resistant black color. Classic and simple pique border design. Made in OEKO-TEX Standard 100 factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Product dimensions: 12 by 12 inches, LXW. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. I was on the fence based on another reviews, but they are quite nice. I did wash them twice and dryer them twice, and there was a full lint trap the first time but not the second time. There's quite soft and absorbent. I bought them for washing my face and I am used to my old more abrasive ones, so it's not as exfoliating, but it'll get there like all towels do. Very soft and luxurious, but not so thick that they're never going to try. I really like them actually.